Leela Estrella, a marketing executive in New York City, lives a life driven by deadlines and achievements. Though successful, she often feels overwhelmed and disconnected from herself. After a particularly stressful week, a friend gifts her a trip to Costa Rica, saying, "You need to find your Pura Vida." Leela steps off the plane and is immediately greeted by warm tropical air. A local guide welcomes her with a smile, saying, "Bienvenida, here we live Pura Vida." It means pure life. Leela is intrigued but unsure what it truly means. Her guide takes her to a remote eco-lodge nestled in the rainforest. Leela is surrounded by lush greenery, chirping birds, and the distant roar of a waterfall. She begins to feel a sense of calm she hasn't experienced in years. Over the next few days, Leela participates in local activities, harvesting coffee, practicing yoga on the beach, and sharing meals with the locals. She notices how people find joy in simple things, greeting each other warmly and living without rush or excess. One evening, while watching the sunset over the Pacific Ocean, Leela reflects on her life back in New York. She realizes how often she prioritized work over happiness and how rarely she paused to appreciate the moment. Leela befriends Maria, an older woman who has lived in the village her entire life. Maria tells her, "Pura Vida isn't just about relaxation, it's about finding beauty in imperfection and happiness in simplicity." Leela feels a profound shift in her mindset. On a final day, Leela goes whitewater rafting with her guide. At first terrified, she learns to let go of control and trust the flow of the river. She realizes this mirrors life. Sometimes you just have to ride the current and trust you'll make it through. Returning to New York, Leela incorporates Pura Vida into her daily life. She prioritizes meaningful relationships, takes breaks to appreciate simple pleasures, and learns to let go of unnecessary stress. She no longer chases happiness, it flows to her.